Hello everyone. Hope you all are enjoying your online classes and also completing your home assignments. Thus, to stay connected with your studies, let us begin our next chapter in science. Our next chapter will be lesson 3 clothes, and today we will be discussing in detail about three basic needs of human beings. Why do we wear clothes? Different types of clothes we wear on different occasions. Fibers used for making clothes, that is, we will study about natural fibers and synthetic fibers. You will also be provided with homework in the form of fill in the blanks. So, let's proceed. Children, we all know that there are three most important basic needs of human beings. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Thus, three basic needs of human beings are food to eat. All living things need food because it helps us to grow and stay alive. It gives us energy to work and play and also protects us from diseases. Dear children, second basic need is shelter. We all live in houses as they keep us safe from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, strong winds, etc. Third basic need is clothes. We wear different types of clothes. Clothes protect us from rain, heat, cold, insect bites, etc. Thus, food, shelter and clothes are the three basic needs of human beings. Now, the question arises, why it is so important to wear clothes? We wear clothes because they cover our body and makes us look smart. They protect us from heat as well as cold. They also protect us from rain and insect bites, and we should wear shoes or other footwears to protect our feet. Now, let's discuss about different types of clothes we wear on different occasions. Children, do you wear same clothes in school or at home? No, not at all. We wear uniform to school, but at home we wear comfortable clothes. Also, we wear a night dress when we go to bed at night. In a wedding party, we wear party dress or fancy dress. On playground, we wear tracksuit and so on. So, clothes are of different types based on season, occasion, nation, culture, profession like doctor, lawyer, policeman, etc. Children, as we all know, long ago men lived in jungles and caves. They did not wear clothes like us. They covered their body using animal skin, leaves and bark of trees. Gradually, they learned to weave clothes. Now the question arises, from which material clothes are made up of? The answer is, clothes are made up of thin, long threads known as fibers. I repeat, fibers are thin, long threads from which clothes are made. So, fibers that are used for making clothes can be divided into two types. Number 1, natural fibers, and number 2, synthetic fibers. Fibers that are obtained either from plants or animals are called natural fibers. Example of natural fibers are cotton, jute, wool, silk, etc. On the other hand, fibers which are prepared artificially are called man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Example, rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. Now, let's study in detail about plant fibers. We get cotton fibers from cotton plants, and these cotton fibers are used to make cotton clothes like cotton shirts, sari, etc. We get jute fibers from jute plants, and these jute fibers are used to make jute clothes like bags, ropes, sacks, etc. Coming to animal fibers, we get wool fibers from animals like sheep and goat, and these wool fibers are used to make woolen clothes like sweater, gloves, socks, etc. We also get silk fibers from silkworm, and the silk fibers are used to make silk clothes like silk sari, silk suit, etc. Thus, we get natural fibers either from plants or from animals. Now, synthetic fibers, also known as man-made fibers, are not obtained naturally, but they are made by man. Example of synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. And polyester t-shirt, raincoat, jacket are some of the clothes made of synthetic fibers. Now, let's recall the difference between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. The first difference is natural fibers are obtained from plants or animals, and synthetic fibers are not obtained naturally and they are made by man. Second difference may be natural fibers do not last for a long time, but yes, synthetic fibers are strong and last for a long time. The third difference is natural fiber is not stretchable, wrinkle-free and waterproof. But on the other hand, synthetic fiber is stretchable, wrinkle-free and waterproof. Children, do this fill in the blanks in the book itself. Children, you all know that if you wear same clothes for a long time, it becomes dirty. Yes or no? Yes. So, it shows that cleanliness is necessary not only of our body but of the clothes also. Clean clothes make our personality attractive. Thus, we should take good care of our clothes. Various methods of care of clothes are: number 1, clothes should be washed well with a good soap to remove dirt, stains and sweat. Number 2, after washing, clothes should be dried in the sun. But we should not leave clothes in the sun for long duration. Number 3, after drying, clothes should be ironed. It kills the germs present in the clothes. Number 4, clothes should be kept neatly in a cupboard or almirah. Number 5, woolen and silk clothes are delicate, so they should be stored properly. They should be kept with mothballs or dried neem leaves to protect them from small insects like moth and silverfish. So, these are the various ways of taking care of clothes, and also good care of clothes makes them last longer. So, I request you all to take good care of your clothes by adopting the various methods discussed here. Wow! Here comes the activity for which you might be waiting eagerly. Here, what you have to do is, you have to identify the profession of the people shown below by their uniform and write in the space provided. Now, you will match your answers or fill in the blanks given in the previous class. This is all for today. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, revise the taught portion, do the activity, match your answers and wait for the next class. Thank you.